Today's cigar is the Magic by Atl Cigar Company, based in Atlanta, Georgia. It originates from Nicaragua. The wrapper is of Mexican San Andreas. The filler is Pueblo, Nuevo, Esteli, and Jalapa. The binder is a Pueblo, Nuevo. The size we're doing today is a 6x54 Vitola, and I'm sure Billy has more information for you.
Okay, and thank you for that, Will. I appreciate all that information. Just to piggyback on that a little bit, the Atl Cigar Company was started a little over 15 years ago by Leroy Lamar III, Janelle Lamar, and Peter Gross. Now, Leroy Lamar III is the president of Atl Cigar Company. Peter Gross is the head of product, and Janelle Lamar is the director of marketing. So all three of those people grew up in the same neighborhood together, and I think they started out with a hot dog stand when they first started selling their cigars, which is amazing because they do put out a really good product and they know how to market it. Case in point, I ordered some cigars, as I said before. They sent me 2 coasters, some matches, which, if you know anything about me, I'll always finish with a match. Really, really nice packaging. Now, just to point on that a little bit, you notice this is foil lined. Very classy. And I got this postcard that said, "Welcome to the family." Now doesn't take much for that. Oh, sorry, also forgot. Also comes with its own cutter, which I find fantastic. Now, you say, well, big whoop. Well, big whoop is this, is that a lot of companies don't give you anything. They pretty much give you cigars, okay, thank you, whatever. They went above and beyond to put a little swag in there, something a little extra, to say, hey, you know what? We appreciate you. You know what, ATL? I appreciate you as well for doing that. Okay, now let's get on with the cigar interview. Now, this is the latest, which is the Magic. If you look at that, that's a beaut right there. That is a beautiful cigar. That triple cap. It's packed. And I wish you could, it's nice. It's packed nicely, which is the best way I can describe this. It's not loose, it's not too tight. It's packed nicely. You can tell they put effort and extra detailing and a whole lot of other stuff as far as this thing goes. Okay, now let's take a whiff. Oh, okay. Not getting much on that. Okay, this side, I'm getting a bit of ooh, there's a lot of cedar right there. I'm getting out cedar, slight chocolate, but you know what? What I like to always do is I always like to do a cold draw. So that's what I'm going to do. Let's do a cold draw. I'm getting just a little bit of that chocolate. I got some cedar. And I got a slight sweetness, not like a sugary sweetness. Okay, I can't wait to light this up. I've been letting this sit. These actually just came out, and they were fortunate enough to send me one, which I really appreciate. Thank you very much. And I got to take a minute right now If you've been listening to me, you know I love lighters. And I bought a lighter. Someone's got it. Please. I don't know what to do. I love lighters. That's all I can say. This is the Butte. You can't see it too much. Got this on Amazon. There's a 12-step program. Well, put it down in the comments, and I will definitely follow it. I've got over 30-something lighters. That's too many lighters for one person. Guys need the help, please. Okay? Thank you. Let's light this up. Now, as usual, we're toasting, not roasting. This was actually in Nicaragua. That's where it originated from. And it was made by, and I'm going to butcher his name, Luciano Meirelles. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. But he was the one that created this in Esteli for ATL. Okay, we toasted the foot. And this also is rated 95. A cigar magazine. Okay, toast, not roast. And you know me, I always like to finish with a match. And I ain't gonna finish with an ATL match. Okay, let's see what it got. Let's take it for a test run. Oh yeah. That is a smooth cigar. Now I got definitely some pepper in the back of it. Very prominent. Great smoke. Look at that white. That's telling you that's a well-made cigar. Look, it's perfectly lit. A lot of people don't think toasting the foot is important, but as you see, it is. You want to take your time with it. You want to give it the respect it deserves. This is a good product. It's retailing for about a little less than $10, about $9.75. So why would you want to rush it? Why do you want to put it in and light it like a cigarette? Sorry, pet peeve of mine. But okay, let's keep going. Yeah, you get it's well balanced. It's got the peppery notes on it, but just a sprinkle of a little chocolate right in between that. But it definitely has that pepper. It smokes more like a medium full to me as opposed to just a medium. But tell you what, I'm gonna take this, smoke about a third of it. I'll come back, tell you what I think, okay? I think I know what I'm gonna put with this, but I'll need to smoke a little bit more. Be right back, okay? Okay, and we are back. All right, listen, let me tell you something. This is how much I smoked. Now, I'm going to tell you how good this cigar is. This is the original ash. Usually, while I'm smoking it, I bump it, it falls off, because I've got huge hands, as you can see, and I'm clumsy. I usually knock it off right before I start filming again. This is a well-made cigar. Look at that ash. Burns evenly, nice, thick ash, great smoke. Nice medium to full strength. Great blend. I cannot say enough about the way this is blended. The Mexican San Andreas, the stuff from Esteli. It is a fantastic cigar. Great tasting, fantastic cigar. And I thought, well, what am I going to pair with that? Now, if you know anything about me, I'm not going to pair with something I've never tasted before or have not tried. So I thought long and hard, and this is what I came up with. Hopefully, if you know me by now, when I do the break, you should put something in the comments saying, oh, well, how about this or how about that? This is what I got. You're not going to believe it, but here it is. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bullet. As you can see, I love Bullet. And I'm not saying I'm authority on it, but it's good. Bullet bourbon. It's a nice crisp, not light, but a good crisp taste. Yeah, I think it'll go well with this medium strength cigar. This, even though it's a medium, it's a really, really smooth cigar. Very smooth. And if you know anything about me, or if you looked in any other videos, you know, generally I always say, if you're going to get the big bottle, always look for the gift sets. Because for the same price of just getting Bullet bourbon, you can get some little swag. I love swag. I love lighters. What can I say? And with that, I got 2 of these cups. These are steel cups. Fantastic. You can drink coffee in it. I don't know if it's microwave safe. It is a ceramic. I don't know if it's microwave safe. I'm not going to put it in a microwave. But this is what I got with it. I got 2 of them, as a matter of fact. So let's go ahead and let's do this. Love that sound. Let me give it a pour. As you can see, I have tasted it once or twice. And what I always like to do is, just to make sure I'm right, I take a sip. Okay. Okay. That's good. Now we take a puff. Original ash. That just fell off. I can't make this up. Oh, okay. All right, here we go. Official. This is to your health. This is to your family. This is to much continued success, not only for ATL, but the people watching here and my subscribers may be blessed in the upcoming new year, where you have to make room for all the blessings that are coming and continuous success. Matter of fact, more so success in the next year than you had last year. Cheers to you. And this puff's for you too. Oh, that's perfect. Bullet has a slight, it's a crisp, but it has a slight, to me, sweetness on it that goes perfectly with this. And with that, I'm going to enjoy the rest of this off camera so I can put my feet up and relax. Perhaps play a video game. I don't know. But I'm going to say this. Thank you for joining me in this video. And as usual, just ask 2 things. 1, karate chop, that subscription, and then kung fu, the notification bell so that you will be alerted the next time I do a video. This is Billy the All-Star saying, if you could not be nice for the sake of the rest of us, can you just please be cool? I'll see you in the next video.